Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to easily remove your PIN on Windows 11. If you're tired of entering a PIN every time you start your PC, here's how to disable it. Let's get started. All right, first thing, press the Windows key and click the settings icon, or just search for settings. Now on the left side, click accounts. Then on the right side, click sign in options. Okay, scroll down to the PIN Windows Hello section. Here's the thing. You'll notice the remove button is grayed out. You can't remove the PIN directly. This happens because you're signed in with a Microsoft account. To remove the PIN, you need to switch to a local account instead. Go back to Accounts on the left, then click Your Info on the right. Under Account Settings, you'll see a blue link that says Sign in with a local account instead. Click on that. Windows will ask you to confirm the switch. Click Next. You'll be asked to enter your current Microsoft account password to verify your identity. Type it in and click OK. Now you'll create a local account. While doing that, if you don't want any password or PIN when starting your PC, leave the password fields completely empty. Just don't type anything. Then follow the prompts to finish setting up. And that's it. Now, if you go back to Settings, then Accounts, then Sign-in options, you'll see there's no PIN required anymore. Keep in mind, having no authentication makes your PC less secure, so only do this if you're the only one using it. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.